right? So driver side, super plug and play. 1, 2. There's your driver side. Okay, now that the driver side is plugged in, you can see right there. Let's back it up and come to the driver side. Now I was trying to find a way to be able to pull it through the other way, but I found it. You just gotta tuck it out all the way through the back and just pull it slowly. You won't break it. And there it is. Find a way to plug it there. And you just plug your ECU side and you'll be good to go. But other than that, I'll be back when I plug it in because I need 2 hands.